now when we're at the table, I need you to have your voices quiet. You don't shout out, remember? Even though it's just a small group of us. We're going to talk about our homework over this week. Thanks, Chloe. So when you get this, just keep it on the table. You don't need to look through it just yet. Alright, first of all, let's talk about this front page. These are 3 words, and we're going to see if we can figure out what they are. This first word, based on the picture, what do you think that word might be? Hats. So can we say that together? Hats. Now the second word, let's look at our beginning sound. And then let's look, voices off. Look at that picture. So straight line. Very good. And then the third one, let's look at our picture and then look at the beginning sound. Okay, hands in our laps, voices. Now remember, when you get back to your seats, I want you to remember to put your names on this worksheet, okay? We don't have our pencils with us now. So turn it over to the first page. Okay, open the first page, Miles. Awesome. Now, do we see any sight words on this page? Anyone see any sight words? Put your finger on your nose if you see a sight word. Brooke sees one. Dawn sees one. Millie sees one. Oh, do you see a sight word? Sight word. Double. Okay, Dawn, what sight word do you see? Yeah, what sight word is that? I. Well, see the sight word I. Point to I if you can see it. See the sight word I? Point to the sight word I on your paper. Point to I. Point to I, Miles. Where's I? Where's I? Let's see.
Is your skin red? No.
What sight word do you see, Tita? We. Very good. Everyone point to we. And Millie, point to the sight word you see. Okay, let's read this first line together. Voices off.
Sophia.
Very good. Let's read this very first line, everyone. I need your fingers. Fingers up in the air. Fingers ready. And read along. Start on this page. We have hats. That's a word we learned on our first page. Very good. Okay. Then second line. We can. Oh, what word is this? Let's see if we can figure it out together. What's the beginning sound, Brooke, on this? Point to it with your finger. What word are we on? This one right there. We can ride. Now let's see if we can read the last line together. We will get in line. Awesome. Okay, so you guys are going to be able to read this whole book with the words that we did on the first page and all of our sight words. Okay, so turn to the first big page, okay? It looks like this. All right, on this worksheet, Miles, on this page, what you're going to do is you're going to match each picture with the word. And we know what these words are because we saw them on our first page. So, let's see if we can do the first one together. The first one is, what's up a picture of, Brooke? So point to the word drum. See if you can figure it out. What's the beginning sound? Oh, let's make sure we're on the right page. Point to the word drum. Brooke, point to the word drum. The word drum. Ooh, what does it start with? Very good. Which one's drum? Very good. So if we figure out our beginning sound, I think we can figure out which each picture is. Then in this box it says, draw a line of funny hats. So we're going to draw some funny hats. all in a line. Okay, everyone turn to the next page. Just turn one page and make sure you're on a page that looks like this. Okay, this is talking about the at family, the at family. We're writing different words that are in the at family. So, let's sound out this first one. The beginning sound is at. What word is that? Say it all together. Cats. So you're going to write those. And remember, if we're having cat, are they going to be lowercase? The big letters or the little? We're going to write them below this dotted line. Below the dotted line. All right, see if we can figure out what the next one will be. The beginning sound is b. And the next one you can do together. The rest of them you can do on your own. Mat. All right, Millie, do it on your own. This is off. All right, down at the bottom in this box it says draw a cat and a bat. So you're going to draw a picture of a cat and a bat. I've seen you guys draw a cat and bat in your journal. So I know you can draw. And then draw a fat rat on a mat. That would be a funny picture. A fat rat on a mat. Okay, I need you to turn the page. Turn the page looks like this. All right, this one. You're going to cut out these shapes and glue them where it says glue, where they match. So, you're going to glue the square. Where's the square? Point to where you'll glue this little square that says glue. Very good. Will you point to where you're going to glue the square? Where it says glue? Very good, very good. Where are you going to glue the square, Brooke? You want to shape like a square. Awesome, okay. And the rest of them, so you're going to glue the rectangle, and the circle. All right, turn of the page looks like this. Real quick, we don't have much time. Okay, you're going to find the words that are just the same. So in each line, there are some words that are the same as the first word. So this one's come, and you're going to circle all the words that say come. Go. Circle the words that say go. Line. Am. And then on the bottom, we're going to cut these out, and you're going to glue them so they make a sentence that makes sense. So the words are with, us, come. So you're going to glue them and put them in order so it makes a sentence. What would be a sentence out of these words, Brooke, do you think? With, us, come. The one with the period might go, where does the period go? At the beginning or the end? The end. So we know that one's going to go there. With, us, come. Us is going to be at the end. Should we say, come with us? Does that make sense? Okay. So that's your homework for this week. All right? So go ahead and go back to your seats. You can put this in your chair pockets.